Vanilla ice cream recipe. 2 cups heavy cream, 1 cup whole milk, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1. In a medium saucepan, combine the cream, milk, and sugar. Heat over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the sugar dissolves and the mixture simmers. Hello everyone! I keep bringing new and tasty videos for you guys, and I don't ask for anything, but I am a little disappointed after seeing the result. If you guys watch my videos, then please subscribe and like. Thank you. 2. Remove from heat and stir in the vanilla extract. 3. Let the mixture cool to room temperature. 4. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight. 5. Pour the mixture into an ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions. 6. Once churned, transfer the ice cream to an airtight boxes and freeze for at least 2 hours to firm up. Note: if you don't have an ice cream maker, you can also freeze the mixture in a shallow metal pan and blend it in a food processor once it's frozen solid. This will give you a slightly chunkier texture, similar to gelato. Enjoy your delicious homemade vanilla ice cream. I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And on which recipe to make next video, please let us know in the comment section. If you want to watch more delicious videos, I have put the link in the description. So don't forget, check out the description.